Hey guys, this is Fundo on Anthropalama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kunzi starts to train and relieve the stress and make the body active. And that Kunzi come back. Kapsile and Kunzi are falling to bring back the spark in their relationship. They want to try new things on their relationship. While Lily does all she can to find Hleziphi, while Hlelo is frustrated with Spoon. Spoon has a bad dreams when he dreams about Kunzi killing himself. Kwanda tell Lily that he will not found Hleziphi and he must make sure that Nonga will not routine on jail. And it seems like Lily becomes scared. And Wanda still wants his drug back. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.